Hello everyone! Start off by taking 2 rubber bands and then tying 2 ponytails on either side. Then keep taking sections from either of the ponytails and then make them interchange at the middle at the back. This is a different kind of braid. Do this until you reach the bottom, and as you progress with the braid, it'll look looser and looser. Tie a rubber band once you are done. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 3 portions. Take the 2 ponytails on the side, take a section from them and add multiple rubber bands to it. Make 2 braids, make a ponytail and then add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, start off by adding some floral beads to the side of the hair. Including these beads as a section in the braid, make a braid out of it. Once you reach the bottom, add a rubber band to it. This is what it should look like. Now include this into another braid that you will be making at the bottom. It will be a normal braid. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 3 portions, make 2 ponytails on either side, add multiple rubber bands at the bottom and lift it up and tie it up. Divide the ponytail into 2 portions, wrap it around this thick rubber band. Make a bun shape out of it and then tie another rubber band. Make 2 braids out of the rest of it and then wrap it around the bun. Add a decorative rubber band and ribbon. Tie a bow once you are done. For our next hairdo, take a section off the top of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Take some decorative floral beads and then make a braid out of it. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. This is called a French braid. Tie a rubber band to it once you are done. For our next hairdo, take a section off the top, add multiple rubber bands, divide the hair into 2 portions, make 2 ponytails. Next, take a bun stick, roll the hair upwards and then wrap it around in the shape of a bun. Adjust the hair accordingly. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. Next, make 2 ponytails on either side and then join them at the back and then roll it in on itself. Make 2 braids out of this. Once you reach the base of this braid, include sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp. This way, the life of the braid will prolong. Once you reach the bottom, you may normally braid the hair. You may add some decorative ribbons at the back once you are done. Divide the hair into 1 portion, make a ponytail and then divide it into 3 parts. Add a rubber band in the middle of it in each of these 3 parts and then roll it in on itself. Lift it up and tie it up. Make another section at the middle and then wrap it around in the shape of a bun. Add a decorative clip. Thank you for watching.